Hi, I am Emma, you are you, and this is a video exploring the magic of this natural wonderland. I hope you like it and please keep on watching. Welcome to my channel. What is this place? Natural wonder or the heartbreak of a goddess? And a backdrop of a famous movie? Well, let me tell you. Located in the heart of Bolivia, this breathtaking destination feels like stepping into another world. It is the world's largest salt flat and one of the most surreal landscapes on Earth. Stick around as we explore its history, natural wonders, and unforgettable experiences. Welcome to Sala de Uyuni. Sala de Uyuni spans over 10,000 square kilometers, making it the largest salt flat in the world. It sits at an elevation of 3,656 meters above sea level. The salt flats are the remnants of Lake Minchin, a prehistoric lake that dried up around 30 to 40,000 years ago, leaving behind layers of salt and minerals, creating this dazzling otherworldly landscape. What makes Sala de Uyuni so unique is its mirror-like effect during the rainy season, when a thin layer of water turns the surface into a giant sky reflection. It's a photographer's paradise and a worldwide bucket list destination for travelers. It is also called the Mirror of the Earth. However, it's not just the landscape that's incredible. Sala de Uyuni is home to unique wildlife, including 3 species of flamingos, the Andean, Chilean, and Jameses. These flamingos thrive here thanks to the region's mineral-rich environment. The salt flats themselves are a geological marvel. During the dry season, the surface of the salt flats forms naturally occurring patterns of hexagons and pentagons formed by the crystallization of salt as water evaporates. It's a phenomenon of geometric perfection. Sala de Uyuni holds an estimated 10 billion tons of salt. Every year, around 25,000 tons of salt are harvested by local communities, but this is just a fraction of the immense reserves. Beneath this crust lies one of the world's largest lithium reserves, a key element in powering our modern technology. Sala de Uyuni holds approximately 7% of the world's known lithium reserves, making it a treasure trove for its stunning beauty and valuable resources. What makes Sala de Uyuni truly mind-boggling is its perfection. This place is so flat that space agencies use it to calibrate their satellites. The variation in altitude across its entire surface is less than a meter, making it one of the flattest places on Earth. It's Mother Nature's ultimate canvas. Visiting Sala de Uyuni is an adventure like no other. Most travelers arrive in Uyuni, a small town serving as the salt flats getaway, and from here, guided off-road tours take you deep into the heart of this natural wonder. The vast openness of the flats allows for some of the most fun and creative photo opportunities you'll ever experience. It's the perfect place to let your imagination run wild. At night, the salt flats reflect the starry sky, creating a magical experience where it's nearly impossible to distinguish the sky from the ground. According to local folklore, Sala de Uyuni is more than just a salt flat. It's the heartbreak of a goddess. The legend goes, long time ago, the mountains surrounding the salt flats were a living being. When her lover betrayed the goddess mountain to Nupa, she cried so much that her tears mixed with her milk because she had a child and formed the salt flats we see today. The salty expanse is said to be a permanent reminder of her sorrow, creating a mystical connection to the land that locals still honor. Another interesting fact is that Sala de Uyuni has appeared in films like Star Wars: The Last Jedi, where it was used as the backdrop for the planet Crate. In the middle of this seemingly endless expanse of salt lies Isla Incahuasi, also known as the Island of Cacti. This rocky outcrop is covered in enormous cacti over 1,000 years old. Climbing to the top of the island offers stunning panoramic views of the salt flats, giving you a whole new perspective on the scale and beauty of this place. The best time to visit depends on what kind of experience you're looking for. From December to April, the rainy season is when you'll see the iconic mirror effect. Meanwhile, the dry season from May to November reveals the intricate patterns of salt and is ideal for exploring the flats by foot or vehicle. While Sala de Uyuni is the star attraction, the surrounding areas have plenty to offer. Just outside Uyuni, the train cemetery showcases Rossi's locomotives that tell the story of Bolivia's industrial past. Further south, the Eduardo Avaro and the Fauna National Reserve boast stunning lagoons, geysers, and dramatic volcanic landscapes. It's a must-see addition to your Bolivian adventure. The local communities around Sala de Uyuni have a rich culture deeply connected to the land. Many make a living by harvesting or creating beautiful handcrafts from the salt. Don't miss the chance to learn about their traditions and way of life. Sala de Uyuni isn't just a place, it's an experience that will stay with you forever. This Bolivian wonder is unlike anywhere else, from its mesmerizing landscapes to its unique wildlife and culture. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If Sala de Uyuni is now on your bucket list, let us know in the comments. Will you visit it? Thanks for hopping in today. Please subscribe and hop back for more. I would appreciate your support. Also, please like and share if you liked the video. Until next time, safe travels and stay awesome!